In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send audio to Otter.ai using their platform step by step. As we dive into the process, it'll be beneficial for those of you looking to share meeting notes and audio recordings with others in a streamlined way. Now let's begin by making our way to Otter.ai's website. Open up your browser and go to the Otter.ai homepage. You'll want to ensure you're logged into your account to access all the functionalities we'll be using today. Look for the meeting that you want to share. Once you're in your account, you'll find your list of meetings or recordings on the dashboard. Simply scroll through and locate the specific meeting or audio that you are interested in sharing with others. After selecting your meeting, you'll notice three dots, typically referred to as the More Options menu. It usually resides towards the top right corner of the meeting interface. Clicking on these dots will open up a variety of actions you can perform. It's a small but important step to navigate through Otter.ai's features. Next, you're going to want to select the Export option from this menu. Selecting Export is crucial, as it's the gateway to share your audio recording outside the Otter.ai platform. When you click on it, you'll see more specific options regarding formats and sharing settings. Now, before exporting, you'll see a toggle button that needs to be enabled. This toggle allows you to activate the export feature fully. Make sure this option is turned on properly. If it's not enabled, you might encounter issues when attempting to download or share your audio file. With the toggle enabled, you'll now see that one of the format options available is MP3. Otter.ai provides several format options, but MP3 is generally preferred for audio due to its compatibility and ease of use across many devices. Ensure MP3 is selected so your audio is ready to be exported in a widely recognized format. Finally, you'll go ahead and click on Export to initiate the download of your audio file. Once the file is exported as an MP3, it's yours to share. You can send this file via email, upload it to cloud storage, or share through messaging platforms. The key here is knowing that the exported audio file is now accessible and can be distributed to whoever needs it, completing the process. And there you have it. Following these steps will efficiently export your Otter.ai audio recordings, allowing you to share them with ease. Remember, these steps can not only save time, but also ensure clarity when communicating essential information to others. Make sure to try this out, especially if sharing insights and recordings is part of your regular workflow. Thanks for watching.